Hi guys, today I want to take you through how to connect a Windows 11 PC to a VPN using the L2TP over IPsec protocol. Now you'll need your VPN username and password and a pre-shared key. You'll also need a server address. So log into your VPN provider like ExpressVPN or NordVPN and that information will be there. So once you have that information, we'll start. Click the Start button, then Settings. On the left hand side here we choose Network and Internet, and then VPN, and then we click Add VPN. Now for VPN provider, we choose the Windows built-in. Connection name, we just give it a descriptive name so you can differentiate from other connections. Server name or address is going to be in either URL format like that, sp.btguard.com, or an IP address like that. VPN type, we want to change that to L2TP over IPsec with pre-shared key. Enter the pre-shared key. Type of sign-in info. Now for most of you that's just going to be username and password, but for some corporate networks they use smart cards and certificates. But for this guy we're just going to use a username and password. And then we check the remember my sign-in info checkbox there and click save. Now the connection will show up straight away, so you just click connect and it should connect to your VPN network. Now if it's at another time and you can't remember where that button is, just click the Start menu, Settings, Network and Internet, VPN, and you'll see your connection there. Okay, so that about does it for this guy, guys. Any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.